Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at apostrophe, that comma-like sign that you can use to show position, contraction, omission. You can use it to show many things. Apostrophe, that's what we're going to be looking at. It's actually a mechanical device in English language that you can use to show position. So today we're going to actually be looking at the function of position that is exhibited by apostrophe critically. We're going to be looking at it today. Then in subsequent classes, we're going to be looking at other functions of apostrophe. So let's look at apostrophe. This is the sign, comma. It's a comma sign put on top. It's actually a comma-like sign used as a mechanical device in English to show position, omission, contraction, or to pluralize items. So you can use apostrophe to show position. You can use it to show omission when you want to omit some part of a word. You can use apostrophe to do that. You can also use it to show contraction, and you can use it to pluralize when you want to pluralize something. And those are the things we'll be looking at under position function of apostrophe, how to use it to pluralize words. So let's look at the functions of apostrophe, and in particular let's look at position. Now, if you want to use apostrophe to show position for singular words like the girl's bag, a girl possesses this bag. You understand? The girl's bag, the boy's bag. That is how it is shown. You use apostrophe to show that this girl is actually the owner of this bag. Now, Obi's bag, the same thing. My friend's pen, the same thing. Now, what if you want to show the plural form of position? How do you do that? Like the girl's bag, like you have more than one girl. Now, the apostrophe has to come after the S, unlike in these cases where it came before the S. Now it has to come after the S. The girl's bag, my friend's pen. Since I'm having more than one friend, it has to be after the S. Since we are having more than one girl, it has to be after the S. So take note of these two cases. This is for singular position, this is for plural positions. Very important. So those are the areas that you're going to be tested in your JAMB and in WAEC. So let's look at irregular ones, like if you have ladies bags. Like if you have more than one lady, instead of introducing another X behind the ladies, you just leave it at the same spelling of the ladies and just put apostrophe. So that's how you get about this. Princess already has S behind. All these words already have S already. So if you want to pluralize them, you don't need to put extra S. Just put apostrophe in front. So we have ladies' bags, princess legs. So those are for possessors ending in S. Very, very important. Now let's look at possessor in irregular plural form, like one child's bag. You understand? This bag is for one child, and this is how you get about this. Two children's bag. You understand? Ordinarily, you wouldn't have children's, but for position, this is how you get around it. One man's meat is another man's poison. You know that. Three men's meat. That's how you get about this. Now, when you have family possessor like the obese house, the family of the obese, their house, this is how you come get around this. The obese limousine. The apostrophe has to come after the S. Now, if you have joint possession like Musa and Ade's company, this is how you go about it. It has to be written as normal possession for singular. For the second noun, Musa and Ade's company. Now we have possessor of possessors. Then we have Mr. Idowu's son's pencil. So see, two of them comes naturally, just the way singular position appears. So we have Mr. Idowu's son's pencil. So take note of all these, very, very important. These are the functions of apostrophe. So in subsequent classes, we're going to delve into other functions of apostrophe. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. The subscribe button by the side of the screen. And if you have any questions or concerns, drop them on the comment section. If you want to contact us, you can see our full details in the description section of this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you.